Ever wondered how a simple flap of a butterfly's wings could set off a chain reaction that shapes the world? Welcome to our journey into the mesmerizing realm of chaos theory and the butterfly effect. In this video, we unravel the mysteries behind cause and effect, exploring how tiny actions can lead to monumental consequences. Get ready to dive deep into the chaos and discover the hidden forces shaping our everyday lives. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an adventure that will challenge your perceptions and leave you in awe of the power of small actions. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join us as we uncover the secrets of the butterfly effect. So, what exactly is the butterfly effect? Well, imagine this. You're strolling through a park, enjoying the sunshine, when suddenly, a butterfly flutters by. Seems harmless, right? But here's the kicker. That innocent flap of wings could set off a chain reaction that ultimately leads to a tornado halfway across the world. Mind-blowing, isn't it? But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's break it down. Chaos theory, the backbone of the butterfly effect, deals with complex systems and how they evolve over time. It's like trying to predict the path of a bouncing ball in a pinball machine, utterly unpredictable. Now, let's talk cause and effect. We've all heard the saying, "For want of a nail, the kingdom was lost." Well, the butterfly effect takes it to a whole new level. Picture this. You snooze your alarm for a few extra minutes of shut-eye. No biggie, right? Wrong. That tiny delay might snowball into a series of events, a missed bus, a chance encounter, that could alter the course of your day, or even your life. But here's the kicker. Chaos theory isn't just about doom and gloom. It's also about self-organization. Think of it as finding order in the chaos, like a symphony emerging from a cacophony of sounds. From schools of fish to flocks of birds, nature is full of examples where simple rules give rise to stunning complexity. But what does all this mean for us mere mortals? Well, for starters, it's a wake-up call. Every action we take, no matter how small, has the potential to ripple out and shape the world around us. It's like being a pebble in a pond. Your impact may be small, but the ripples can reach far and wide. The butterfly effect is a concept that originated from chaos theory, a branch of mathematics and physics that deals with complex systems. It suggests that small, seemingly insignificant changes in initial conditions can lead to vastly different outcomes over time. And here comes the star of our show, the butterfly. Imagine a serene meadow with a fluttering butterfly. Now, let's say this delicate creature decides to flap its wings just a tad differently than usual. That tiny alteration sets off a chain reaction. The air molecules around the butterfly get nudged ever so slightly, causing a ripple effect. And guess what? This seemingly harmless flutter can escalate into a major atmospheric disturbance, like a tornado, on the other side of the planet. Talk about a winged whirlwind. Now, you might be thinking, come on, really? Can a butterfly's wings truly cause chaos halfway across the globe? Well, the short answer is yes, but it's not just about butterflies. The butterfly effect illustrates a broader principle: sensitivity to initial conditions. In complex systems, whether it's the weather, the stock market, or even your morning commute, tiny variations at the outset can lead to wildly divergent outcomes down the line. Picture this. You're running late for work, and you miss your usual bus by a hair's breadth. No biggie, right? Wrong. That seemingly inconsequential delay might snowball into a series of events, a missed meeting, a chance encounter, who knows, that ultimately alters the course of your day, or even your life. Blame it on the butterfly effect. Now, before you start fretting about every butterfly flitting by, let's talk about the flip side of chaos theory, self-organization. Despite the inherent unpredictability of complex systems, they often exhibit a remarkable ability to organize themselves over time. Think of it as finding order in chaos, like a dance choreographed by Mother Nature herself. Believe it or not, the butterfly effect isn't just fodder for mind-bending thought experiments. It has practical applications too. In fields like meteorology, economics, and even medicine, understanding the dynamics of complex systems can offer valuable insights. Take weather forecasting, for example. Meteorologists rely on sophisticated models to predict tomorrow's forecast, but they're also keenly aware of the butterfly effect's influence. A minor disturbance today could lead to major weather patterns weeks down the line, making long-term predictions a real challenge. So, the next time your weather app gets it wrong, cut it some slack. It's battling chaos theory. In economics, the butterfly effect reminds us that financial markets are anything but predictable. A small hiccup in one corner of the globe, a tweet from a world leader, a shift in consumer sentiment, can send shockwaves through global markets faster than you can say, stock market crash. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a tornado. And let's not forget about healthcare. From the spread of infectious diseases to the efficacy of medical treatments, chaos theory plays a pivotal role. A single infected individual could unwittingly trigger a chain reaction of transmission, leading to a full-blown outbreak. That's why epidemiologists closely monitor these complex dynamics to stay one step ahead of potential pandemics. So, what's the takeaway from all this chaos? Well, for starters, it's a humbling reminder of the interconnectedness of our world. Every action, no matter how small, has the potential to reverberate far beyond our immediate surroundings. But instead of fearing the chaos, why not embrace it? Life is messy, unpredictable, and downright chaotic at times. But therein lies the beauty of it all. In the midst of uncertainty, there's room for spontaneity, creativity, and yes, even a little bit of magic. So, the next time you encounter a metaphorical butterfly flapping its wings, don't sweat the potential tornadoes. Who knows? It might just lead to an unexpected adventure. In conclusion, the butterfly effect reminds us that the universe is a wondrously complex place, where even the smallest of actions can leave an indelible mark. So, whether you're a butterfly in a meadow or a human navigating the twists and turns of life, remember this. Embrace the chaos, spread your wings, and see where the breeze takes you. After all, who knows what wonders, or tornadoes, await just around the corner? And there you have it, folks. The butterfly effect, where chaos meets beauty, and small actions create big waves. We hope this journey has sparked your curiosity and left you with a newfound appreciation for the interconnectedness of our world. If you enjoyed unraveling the mysteries of chaos theory with us, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending content. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride. Until next time.